Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a new trend that was going on. Well, it's not so new, but I've never tried it before. It's how to clean makeup brushes using a washing machine. So all you need is your brushes. So I have some of my brushes in here, some brushes and sponges, and then these are some here. Brushes and sponges. I'm missing some beauty. All you need is your brushes, your beauty blenders, whatever you need. It's going to be get cleaned, a pillowcase, and some laundry detergent, and of course your wash machine. So we're going to just take everything out the bags and put it over inside the pillowcase like this. Here's my pillowcase. And you want to use a pillowcase that you don't use. This is a cheap one that I just bought from Dollar Tree just for this purpose. My brushes, and I'm gonna pour them over inside my pillowcase. That's one set. I'm actually gonna put these over in there because I got some extra stuff down over in here. My brushes, my sponges. We're just gonna put everything over in there. Now we have everything inside of our pillowcase. So we're just gonna tie it up in a tight knot so that it doesn't come loose. Just like that. And then we're just gonna put it inside the washer. Okay, next you're just gonna put your brushes over in the washer. And add your soap. We're gonna put it on warm and small load. I'm gonna try for 8 minutes. And we'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out and see how it came out. Jerome, you're nervous or something. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, what the? Okay, our knot didn't come out. That was good. Our knot is still intact. All the makeup is there. Okay, so I got the stuff out of the washer. Oh, this knot is really tight. We're gonna see how well it cleaned.
That one was dirty?
Yeah, where's the green one? That one was really dirty. Well, this one didn't do that good, but hey, this one was really dirty.
I have to clean that one once.
Well, this is a little cheap one, so it didn't come that clean. But it got my beauty blenders really clean. And these are the brushes that give me the hardest time. I don't want to show that one. Coming clean. My Real Technique brushes. They got them all really clean. You have a lot of brushes. I do. I'm gonna put some paper towel down just in case some of it still have makeup in it. Wow. That's not even happening because I don't know where the rest of them are. But yeah, it pretty much. This brush is really old. This is a, oh, this is a Chanel brush. So that's real hairs. I probably shouldn't have put that one in there, but whatever. Yeah, it pretty much got my brushes really clean. So I would definitely be doing this again instead of wasting my time scrubbing them all hand by hand with the beauty blender soap and the mat. So yep, I am impressed. See you guys next time.